Hello my crochet friends, this is Lady Jana and welcome back to my channel. Recently I purchased from Temu a crochet kit. It should be beginner friendly to make sunflower coasters for the summer. Great idea. We're going to be looking at all of the material that comes with the kit, the way the instructions are written, and if it's really beginner friendly. Let's look into this. The crochet kit comes in a packaging like this. It says a crochet kit for beginners. And here is your flower coaster or your sunflower coaster. There's a little basket. I assume that we are going to be crocheting. If we look on the back, it does say that it's 80% acrylic and 20% polyester. So let's open this up. The package is resealable. This is all the yarn, so there's lots. These are the tools you're going to be using. This is a special copper wire for jewelry. 0.3 millimeter straight needles, 2 crochet hooks, a 2 millimeter and a 3 millimeter glue stick, some wire, stitch markers, sewing needles, and there's more sewing needles inside, little beads, and 2 buttons, and a threader. We also get the crochet instructions and also this DIY crochet kit for beginner guide. If we look at this, I've gotten these before. I really love them. It explains to you everything about crochet. It explains to you how to do stitches and so forth. So this is very valuable. When you crochet, keep this handy. Let's look at the sunflower coaster crochet instructions. So we start with the basic instructions. The first thing we do make is the basket, the handle, and then we have 1 large sunflower coaster, 1 medium sunflower coaster, 1 small sunflower coaster, and 2 leaves. And that's how it looks like at the end. I'm not going to be doing a step-by-step. It looks like there's already crochet instructions online. We're going to take a look at that as well. Once you have purchased the kit, you will have access to a series of video tutorials that explains to you step by step how this kit is crocheted. So what we're looking at right now, it's the start of a sunflower. I just wanted to show you a little sneak peek just to let you know how better these videos are now. The voice is an AI voice and it's in English. And if you notice, on top you have the round 1, what she's working on, and also you have a little bit of explanation on the bottom or what she's saying. I hope this is something that will continue in the future, that more and more companies will provide these kind of step-by-step instruction videos for their kits. I've completed the kit. This is the sunflower. It's the basket, the 3 coasters, small, medium, and large, and you also have your little leaf. You can actually use this for a coaster as well, I believe. However, it is small, but you could use it for anything that is small. This is what is left in my kit. I'll have plenty more to do, maybe another basket, but definitely some other sunflowers. My favorite would be the medium one. This one here, this is my total favorites. If I take my coffee, it fits perfectly. And then as for the small one, this is a little too big for the small one. You can still use it, but it's a little bit too big. And for the big one, it's way too big. You can actually use it for some other large containers. Let's talk about this kit. Now, I started off with the basket. The basket itself is beginner friendly. Let's talk about beginner friendly. When we say beginner friendly, this is someone that knows how to do all of the stitches. They know how to do the magic ring, how to do a single crochet, slip knot, slip stitch, the whole thing. But they lack practice. This would be considered beginner friendly. This is not for somebody that has never crocheted before. Yes, you have to start somewhere, but not this. And I will explain to you why. I would not say that this is beginner friendly. Let me just explain to you why. First thing, let's talk about the basket. The basket itself, not the handle, the basket itself is user friendly. It's basic stitches. There's nothing expertise, basic. So when we get to the handle, this is where it's a little bit more not beginner friendly, because in this handle you have one of these wires, and if you've never crocheted with a wire in the middle, it's not easy. Okay, this takes practice, and this wire is very rigid. I actually don't like the wire for this, because if you notice, if you try to get this straight, it's a little bit hard to get straight because this is the type of wire. So that the wire stuff, if there was no wire, yes, I would say beginner friendly. And I liked the little buttons on each side. Those are very pretty. Love them, love them, love them. And when it comes to the flowers itself can be beginner friendly. The petals needs a little bit more attention. However, the petals, they do also have wire in them, because you can actually do what you want with it. They're not flat. There's not like they stay put. And this is the type of wire you need to work with. And again, if this is not beginner friendly at all because of the wire, and also the petal, it has wire all over. So this petal, you can shape the way you want it. However, if you love sunflowers, you see the kit, go ahead and purchase it. But before starting it, if you're not comfortable, practice on other things first. That is a little bit more beginner friendly. So once you're done, you just place a leaf on each side of the basket, like this. You add the big sunflower, like this, and then the medium one, and then you've got your small. And this is very, very pretty. One more thing that it is not beginner friendly is the yarn. The yarn is a very small yarn for people that start crocheting. I prefer they use a larger yarn, like a 4 weight or a 5 weight. This is a very lightweight, and it is harder to see the stitches when you work with it. So that is one more thing that I don't think it's a beginner friendly kit. However, if we look at everything we get into this kit, this is perfect. We have all of the crochet hooks we need. We have all of the we've got the straight needles, we've got plenty of stitch markers and so forth. So for the price, I really, really like this kit. Like I said, if you see it, go ahead and purchase it and keep it for later time to do. I hope that you like this review. If you've not subscribed yet, don't forget to like and also subscribe, and have yourself a great day. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye.